Hello class, I'm Teacher Daniel, and today we will discuss the concept of sets. First, let us define set. When we say set, it is a group of well-defined and distinct objects. When we say well-defined, it means there is no question whether an object belongs to the set. And always remember, the objects in a set have common characteristics. For example, set of coloring materials. All objects under this set are all coloring materials. Another, set of cards. And set of kitchen utensils. So, these are some examples of well-defined sets. Now, how do we name a set? A set is named using single capital letter. And the distinct objects in a set are called elements. For deeper understanding, let's have an activity. Identify all the possible answers for the statements below. Number 1, set of vowels in the English alphabet. Now, let us enumerate all the vowels in the English alphabet. So we have A, E, I, O, U. So we are able to identify the objects or the elements under vowels in the English alphabet. So therefore, this set is well-defined. And as you can see, the elements are distinct. Number 2, set of counting numbers greater than 9. Can you identify the elements under counting numbers greater than 9? Let's see. Now, let us enumerate. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on and so forth. Because counting numbers greater than 9 are infinite. So we put ellipsis or 3 dots to mean infinity. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang sa 14 natatapos ang counting numbers greater than 9. Hanggang 15, 16, 17, 18, up to positive infinity. Number 3, set of beautiful mathematics teachers. Can you identify the beautiful mathematics teachers? Okay, so the answer for this statement is not well defined because the statement is very subjective. Ibig sabihin, yung maaaring maganda sa akin, maaari namang hindi maganda sa iyo. So the statement is not well defined. Let's talk about the set notation. When we say set notation, it is the way of writing set. Let us use our previous activity for this example. Number 1, set of vowels in the English alphabet. Remember, in naming a set, we use single capital letter. So for set of vowels in the English alphabet, let us use letter V. And the elements under this set are A, E, I, O, U. So, as you can see, the elements are enclosed by braces and they are separated by commas. So, this set notation is called roster method. When we say roster method, we list all the elements of the given set. Roster method is also known as listing method. And the cardinality of set V is 5. When we say cardinality, we are talking about the number of elements of a given set. So in this case, we have 5 elements, A, E, I, O, U. In symbol, we write N, quantity V equals 5. N means number of elements or the cardinality. V is the name of the set, equals 5. Number 2, set of counting numbers greater than 9. Let us name this set as set C. So set C contains 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. So as you can see, we cannot enumerate all the elements of the counting numbers greater than 9, so we put ellipses. So this set can be written in rule method. So in rule method, it will become C is the set of counting numbers greater than 9. And rule method is written in set builder notation. C is the set of all x such that x is a counting number greater than 9. So that is called set builder notation. And number 3 is not well defined. For us to see it clearly, let's put it in a table. So for rule method, V is a set of vowels of the English alphabet. If we write it in roster method, we have V equals A, E, I, O, U. Or you can read it as V contains A, E, I, O, U. In set builder notation, we have V is the set of all x such that x is a vowel of the English alphabet. Another, C is a set of counting numbers greater than 9. In roster method, we have C contains 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. For set builder notation, we have C is the set of all x such that x is a counting number greater than 9. For our generalization, a set is a group of well-defined and distinct objects. The cardinality of a set is the number of elements in a set. Roster method involves the explicit listing of all the elements of the set. Rule method involves a description or a rule which states the common characteristics of the elements of the set. And rule method is written in set builder notation. So let's have a test yourself. Write the following sets using the roster method and identify their cardinality. Number 1 is done for you. Thank you for listening. Our next topic is all about kinds of sets.